Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check for system software updates on Motorola Moto G10. First, open Settings on your smartphone and then scroll down all the way to the System. Here in System menu, expand the Advanced options, then go to System Updates and check if your device has any updates to download and install. Now, you will not be able to do that without an internet connection, so either make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi by checking it in the quick settings menu or the control center, however you call it, and if you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, then make sure that you are using mobile data instead. However, I would rather recommend you to download updates using Wi-Fi rather than mobile data. So as you can see, I don't have any updates available, but if you do, just click download and install, and then wait until the update is installed on your smartphone, restart it, and wait until the changes are applied. Then your phone will turn on automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.